Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the founder and the president of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also the chief formulator at the Root Brands and at Merci Dupre Clothinaires. Furthermore, I partner with companies like Ella Pure, Bill & Co., and different companies that really protect our world and provide solutions. Some of those are pharmaceuticals, some are nutraceutical, some are environmental, and some are animal and human health. It's really important to me that we protect our skin and body, so I've developed multiple patents in that space. One of the things that I've developed is a permeable and semi-permeable filtration system and also devices that can really help the skin and the clothing. These trade secrets and patents are being used at Bill & Co. for animals and at Ella Pure for the skin and for the makeup, as well as at Merci Dupre Clothinaires. We're selling it right now through the Root Brands, but I also will be educating people on this at Rahm Thomas University. Why do we have all these collaborations and partnerships? Because our bodies are important, our lives are important. I'm going to read a little bit about this current invention and patent so that you can understand some of the things that I've done and what we will be teaching at the university and at the International Science Nutrition Society. So this invention provides a permeable and semi-permeable article meant to be worn as an aqueous solution. So you can see that I'm incorporating the skin and the clothing into a solution that has an inevitable substrate and non-substrate that really is made to protect. And I use different minerals, vitamins, and different types of plants, roots, and seeds. A lot of people say, how do you use natural products into a system? I am able to use different types of micro and nano emulsions to really help me make things more bioavailable, to create a barrier in the skin and to protect the skin against radiation, nuclear waste, pollution, and heavy metals, as well as ticks and toxins. You really have to provide something that is a barrier where things can't get in. This is not a one-prong solution. This is a multiple-prong solution. I also developed a patent which would communicate with devices like EMR systems and certain computers so that people would know what was going on in the body if the body had been exposed to radiation, if the body was having problems, even incorporating a solution for Alzheimer's and dementia and strokes and cardiovascular so that we could protect people in those areas as well. These devices and this information, as well as the inventions, is being used in different pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, health, and animal health companies. I look forward to using it even more in the environment as we're able to protect our bodies when we go out into a world that is no longer safe in some areas.